Hello. In this tutorial, you will learn how to cite a website in MLA format. I will briefly cover the rules for each element required for a citation, but if you need more detail, please watch the video on MLA citation elements. The first element of our citation will be the author or authors, and will be listed last name, comma, and then the rest of the author's name as it appears on the source. The author can also be an organization. If that's the case, then list the full name of that organization. If you have two authors, list the first author the same as you would for one author, followed by a comma and the word "and." Then list the second author as their name appears on the source. If you have three or more authors, list the first author as we've done before, followed by a comma and the word "et al." This just means there are more authors. The author element will end with a period. In the rare case where no author can be found, skip this element and move on to the title. The title of the web page will be in quotation marks, and all the major words will be capitalized. Also note that the first word of the title and the first word of the subtitle will also be capitalized. The title element will end with a period, and make sure that you put the period inside of the quotation marks. The next element of your citation will be the container. In this case, the container is the title of the website. This element can also be referred to as the publisher. The name of the website will be in italics, and all major words will be capitalized. This element will end with a comma. Following the website title will be the date of publication. List as much of the date that you can find on the source. If a month is included, abbreviate the longer months, as seen in the example here. This element will end with a comma. Next up will be the location. In the case of a web page, this will be the URL. If you have a date of publication, then you will end with a period and your citation is complete. If you have no date, then move on to the next element. Note that you will not include the https:// part of the URL, as you can see in these examples. The final element will be the optional element. If you had no date, this is where you will list the date that you most recently accessed the web page. You will end with a period. That ends our tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to the library, and thank you for watching.